Ohara AI review. Is this app builder worth it? Well, let's find out. So what is Ohara AI? It's a no-code AI platform that turns text prompts into fully functional decentralized mini apps and simple games, hosted on its platform and optionally tokenized via its app coins on the base blockchain. It's ideal for creators, hackers, and indie builders who want to build and share interactive apps without writing code. And here's its strengths. It has its own unique vibe coding workflow. So simply just describe your app idea in plain English and instantly generate a deployable mini app with no JavaScript, React, or blockchain experience required. They even have remixable open apps. They also have token economy features, community and ecosystem, and visible adoption and demo apps. Also, it comes with weaknesses and considerations. They have low trust scores from scam checkers. They even have feature depth still evolving, and they require code literacy to scale. And they even have limited independent reviews. So in conclusion, if you want to use it, if you're a creator or designer wanting to rapidly prototype app ideas and share mini apps with communities, that's why you should use it. But it's not suitable for users who need production grade apps with robust testing, scaling, and professional support. Although Ohara AI appears to be legitimate and promising a novel, AI first will be to build a remix decentralized app quickly, but the platform is still in early stage, and domain trust scores are still mixed.